Hello everyone, my name is Sudipta and welcome to my channel Sweety Scape. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look for the beautiful occasion of Onam. Now before we jump to the tutorial, I would request you to subscribe to my channel as I will be posting more such videos with different hairstyles and makeup. Now to begin with, start with your eyes as powdered eyeshadows may lead to fallout. So that you can easily clean before putting on the base for your face. Now I have already done my eyebrows over here. So first I'm applying the concealer and cover by Bodyography. Now first I have applied orange concealer around my under eyes, and then I'm applying the base concealer, which will also work as an eye primer, as you can see. Now the way I'm putting the concealer is also like to highlight my eyebrows. Make sure that it is a brighter concealer, a concealer which is brighter than your skin shade. Then blend it with a sponge. Then set it with a loose powder. Now I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use two shades. One is the Caffeine Fix and the other one is Latte. Now the first thing which I'm going to do is use the Latte shade near my crease area. I'm using a fluffy brush. Once it's done, I'm going to use the Caffeine Fix shade starting from the outer corner of my eyes and take it inwards around the crease area. Now I don't want to spread it too much, so I am working it under the same spot. I'm only smudging it around the crease area. Now next I'm gonna take this bright shade or shimmery shade called New World and use it to highlight my brow bone area. Now I'm darkening the crease area a bit more because I want to do a cut crease. That is why it's better if you have a darker crease so that it will be more prominent. So I'm taking the concealer by Bodyography once again and I'm going to start doing the cut crease. Now to do a proper cut crease, first you need to apply the concealer till your actual crease, and then you need to look upwards and check the point till where you find the mark of the concealer. Now that is the point till where you will take the whole crease line to look like. Now I have hooded eyes, so I prefer to make my cut crease a bit higher so that it'll give a look of bigger eye. Now this cut crease might look a bit sharp and stark, but don't worry, I'm going to create a more subtle smudged cut crease look or a soft cut crease, so I will fix that later. Now once you have applied the concealer, make sure to set it either with loose powder or with a light eyeshadow, powder eyeshadow. Make sure not to spread the concealer too much. So I'm just setting it with some loose powder. Now I'm gonna take the shimmery shade over here called Super Gold, and I'm gonna apply it on the cut crease. Now you can also use a lighter shade so that it will look a little more bright. So I'm applying the same super gold shade with the help of a brush near the crease line. Now I'm gonna take the black shadow from the same base and I'm gonna start by applying little bit on the outer corner of my eye and then gently take it across the crease line and give it a soft smudged look. Make sure to extend it towards the outer corner into a winged form. Now apply concealer on the highlighting areas, or should I say put a highlighter itself. If you have a lighter shade concealer or foundation, you can apply that near your under eyes and the highlighting areas, as you can see. Now apply the contouring, or let's say few shades darker foundation or concealer on your jawline and near your forehead and the hollows of your cheek. And also don't forget to contour your nose. Time to blend it all. Now once you're done, you can line your waterline with a kajal. Don't forget to tight line. Now take the black shade which you had used earlier and use it on the lower lash line. Now you can use an eyeliner to create a winged effect. Then curl your eyelashes. Very important step. Apply the mascara which is not shown here. Now I'm gonna take this bright golden liquid liner from Nika K9 and I'm gonna put it on top of the black eyeliner which I have made. Now the reason I was telling to take a lighter eyeshadow is so that this golden shade or liner will look more prominent. And I've also put some shadow on my inner corners, and now I'm fixing it all with a setting spray. Next I have used this beautiful shade by L'Oreal Paris. All the products are mentioned in the description box below. So this is the final look, guys. I have also put a bindi and I have put some flowers into a bun hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found this video detailed and useful. Let me know in the comments if you want me to create more festive looks in the future. Also, next week I am coming back with some interesting video of styling with scarves. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and for getting the latest updates, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box below.